Hey, welcome back to Twinkle Tunes and Lighting. Today we're talking about sequencing software. We've got all of our props built, we've got our lights, we've got our power. Now we're gonna get things to talk. Stick around, here we go. The sequencing software allows you to program to time, to music, to blinks, to fades, to brightness, to strobes. You can do everything you want to with the sequencing software. Think of it like the conductor in your light orchestra. This thing is awesome. This is going to be great. This is when your creativity comes to life. Let's look at 4 sequencing softwares that are out there, and then we're going to talk about the most popular one. Number 1, you've got xLights. It's free, open source, and widely used by the LED community. Everybody is using xLights right now. You have Light-O-Rama. It's more of a turnkey and designed to work well with their hardware. You've got Vixen, another free tool, great for basic sequences or just very small setups. And while the Falcon Player, it's not a sequencer, it's what many are using to run the sequences on their controllers like the Falcon 16 version 4 or the Bong 69 that's WLED based. So we're gonna kind of base everything around xLights. That's what I use. xLights is hands down my favorite software. That's what I would download. That's what I would check out. And it's free. Can't beat the price. No matter what software you choose, if you don't choose xLights, make sure it has these 4 key elements, okay? Number 1, a timeline view so you can sync your music. Number 2, an effects library for things like twinkles, waves, on-beat pulses, things like that. Number 3, a preview layout where you can test everything virtually. And number 4, a model import so your real-world layout matches your sequences. Those are the 4 biggest things that I would look for. If it doesn't have those, it's not worth it. xLights has all those and then some, and even more than. To start the sequences, we're gonna go over what you need. Pretty simple. Number 1, you need a computer with a decent processing power. Don't go to Goodwill and find some old clunky computer and be like, this is gonna be my xLights computer. You are processing a lot of information. Have a decent computer, decent laptop. That's what's gonna do all your programming and all your rendering. So, have a decent computer. Number 2, your audio track, ideally in an MP3 format. You can use any type of audio that you want to. You can purchase it off of iTunes. You can go to the studio and record it yourself. Make sure it's in an MP3 format. Number 3, a display layout map of your models and props. Have an idea of what it's gonna look like in your yard. Okay, have it all laid out on paper so when you transfer it into this digitally, you are not trying to go back and run outside and try to figure where things are, okay? Have it laid out on a piece of paper, draw it all out, make sure it's gonna work. And number 4, some basic knowledge of channels, universes, and controller output. Don't worry, we've got videos coming out on all that stuff. You're like, I don't even know what channel, I know what universes are. Don't worry, it's coming up. But you're gonna need a basic knowledge of that. You'll pick it up. You've gotten this far. You can just keep going. It's gonna be great. Sequencing now takes your idea that's in your head and puts it into reality. This is the coolest part. This is also sometimes maybe the most frustrating part, where in your head you have this idea and now you got to figure out how to put it out there in the universe and make it happen. Sync it to any type of genre of music, have it tell a story, have it go through different types of weather. I don't know, whatever you want to do, this is your time when you can program it using these different pieces of software. So whether you're just starting or you're stepping up your game and getting into bigger props, sequencing is where it's gonna be. This is the design that you've put all your love, all your effort, all your money into. Sequencing is now gonna be the greatest thing ever. You can sit in your computer, make cool things, make it happen, push send, push render, and then run outside and go see what it looks like and be like, oh man, that looks awesome. Or like, oh my gosh, that's not even close to what I was doing. Let me go back to the drawing board. This is the fun part of it. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon. We got another video coming up. It's gonna talk about your first display. Now we have all the knowledge, and now it's time to stick it in the yard. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.